consider a distant planet just beyond our solar system, where the faint glow of city lights graces the night sky. What would it mean for humanity if intelligent life existed and thrived under the same stars we view every night? Are we about to make the most profound discovery in human history? Elon Musk, the visionary CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, made a surprising disclosure that has shocked both the scientific world and the general public. He unveiled a potentially significant discovery uncovered by NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. The telescope spotted artificial lights on the surface of Proxima B, a possibly habitable exoplanet orbiting the neighboring star Proxima Centauri, which is just over 4 light-years away. The discovery of lights on Proxima B is groundbreaking. The James Webb Space Telescope, built to see into the furthest reaches of the universe, made a discovery that is considerably closer to home than originally expected. Proxima B, an exoplanet circling Proxima Centauri, has long piqued astronomers' curiosity due to its location in the star's habitable zone, where temperatures may allow liquid water to form on its surface. However, the latest JWST findings exceed expectations. Artificial illumination resembling city lights may have been discovered on the planet's night side, potentially indicating an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Elon Musk, SpaceX's CEO and an advocate for space exploration, made the shocking news during an impromptu press conference. Musk announced that the JWST's infrared imaging capabilities discovered odd light patterns on the night side of Proxima B. These light patterns, detected across numerous scans, are structured in ways that imply they may be artificial. The lights form patterns similar to those visible from space over Earth's most heavily populated cities, such as New York and Tokyo. Such illumination is consistent and organized, in sharp contrast to natural phenomena such as auroras and volcanic activity. The prospect of artificial lighting on Proxima B raises important issues regarding the planet's composition and the possibility of life beyond Earth. For years, scientists have argued whether Proxima B might support life because of its closeness to its host star and its location in the Goldilocks zone, where circumstances may be suitable for liquid water to exist. The discovery of potential artificial illumination adds a new layer to these debates, implying not just the possibility of life but also the presence of a highly adept society capable of influencing its surroundings. Astrophysicists were fast to study the data collected by the JWST. The fundamental goal has been to determine whether the observed lights could have natural explanations. Initial speculations took into account natural occurrences such as bioluminescent creatures, solar flares, and geological events like lava flows. However, the regularity and stability of the light emissions have ruled out most of these hypotheses. Unlike natural events, which are chaotic or short-lived, the lights recorded on Proxima B appear stable and ordered, which is a sign of manufactured structures. Further examinations are underway to discover the source of the illumination. Some scientists believe the lights are driven by a type of advanced energy source, potentially solar-based technologies meant to capture the energy of Proxima Centauri. Others believe the lights are indicative of an extraterrestrial culture with vastly superior technology to our own. If the lights are genuinely artificial, they could indicate the presence of energy-efficient structures similar to Earth's cities, or even something more advanced, like large-scale industrial complexes. Musk has also hinted at what this discovery means for humanity's future. The nearest star to the Sun, Proxima Centauri, is only over 4.24 light-years away, making it a viable target for interstellar research. While going to Proxima B with current technology would take thousands of years, Musk has argued that the discovery could hasten the development of quicker propulsion technologies. SpaceX has already been studying sophisticated spacecraft propulsion technologies, and the discovery of possible extraterrestrial intelligence may increase international interest in developing these systems. The potential of intelligent life on Proxima B could raise significant philosophical and ethical concerns. If the lights are artificial, it may indicate that humanity is not alone in the universe. This discovery is expected to spark arguments about how Earth should embrace its newfound knowledge. Some argue for sending a signal to Proxima B in an attempt to communicate, while others warn of the perils of contacting a society that may be far more sophisticated. The controversial dark forest idea, popularized by science fiction writer Liu Cixin, holds that civilizations in the cosmos may keep silent to avoid bringing attention to themselves for fear of being perceived as a danger. Elon Musk's involvement in the discovery of potential artificial lights on Proxima B is fully consistent with his long-held aim for humanity's advance into space. Musk, CEO of SpaceX, has continually underlined the importance of making life multiplanetary, noting the fragility of human existence on Earth as a result of dangers such as climate change, asteroids, and other potential world disasters. The discovery of possible hints of intelligent life on Proxima B has only fueled Musk's objective, adding a new dimension of urgency and fascination to the aims he has been pursuing for years. Musk emphasized at the announcement that humanity must now speed up its efforts in interstellar exploration, especially in light of recent evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. While SpaceX has concentrated on creating the technologies required to reach Mars, Musk has stated that the consequences of intelligent life elsewhere could transform our entire approach to space travel. The discovery of Proxima B, a planet circling the nearest star to our solar system, requires us to re-evaluate the scope of our goals and our willingness to communicate with alien civilizations. SpaceX, already a space travel pioneer, has made tremendous advances with reusable rocket technology and the successful launch of Starship prototypes, a spacecraft designed for deep space trips. However, Proxima B is nearly 4.24 light-years away, presenting hurdles much greater than those encountered in reaching Mars. Musk recognized that getting to Proxima B would necessitate advancements in propulsion technology, potentially incorporating nuclear fusion or antimatter drives. These enhanced propulsion systems, which are currently entirely speculative, might enable faster-than-light or near-light-speed travel, making interstellar travel possible within a human lifetime. The finding of artificial illumination on Proxima B may shift Musk's focus on Mars settlement. Mars has long been at the center of Musk's concept for a human colony to establish a self-sustaining population that might serve as humanity's backup plan. However, the probable presence of an intelligent society on Proxima B raises the question of whether the red planet is still the best or only option for humanity's future in space. Musk hypothesized that Proxima B may be a new destination for exploration and possibly collaboration or cohabitation if the species present there are friendly or open to engagement. Musk's lectures also address the ethical and philosophical aspects of interplanetary exploration. The discovery of intelligent life would prompt humanity to reconsider its place in the cosmos. What are our responsibilities as a species if we encounter life beyond Earth? According to Musk, the discovery calls into question our preconceptions about being the dominant intelligent race in the cosmos. He advocated that any engagement with extraterrestrial beings be done with caution so that mankind is not perceived as a danger or imperialistic power. Furthermore, Musk underlined the necessity of international cooperation in the search for Proxima B and other prospective alien targets. SpaceX has led the way in private sector space research, but interstellar travel will necessitate global collaboration, bringing together resources and expertise from numerous nations and organizations. Musk mentioned the prospect of building worldwide coalitions, combining private enterprise and governmental funding to pool the necessary technology and knowledge for such gigantic missions. Following the discovery, Musk's ideas on space colonization have shifted to embrace the potential of not only living on other planets but also making contact with other sentient life forms. He hypothesized on the type of relationship humanity may want with an evolved alien civilization. Will we be collaborators, cohabitants, or competitors? Musk emphasized the importance of humans being prepared for all scenarios, including the possibility that alien beings are more technologically sophisticated and may be hostile. In such a case, creating a colony on Mars or other nearby planets may still be necessary to safeguard humanity's future, even if contact with extraterrestrial civilizations does not go as planned. Musk also suggested that this discovery might be the impetus for moving space travel beyond theoretical science and into a new era of rapid progress. With states and private firms increasingly investing in space exploration, Musk speculated that the discovery of Proxima B may spark a new space race, this time not to the Moon or Mars, but to the stars. However, unlike the Cold War-era space race, this new struggle may have more existential implications as humanity attempts to ensure its survival and significance in a universe that may contain civilizations far more evolved than our own. Finally, Musk warned the audience that the race to extend beyond Earth is more than just curiosity or ambition. With the possibility of intelligent life on Proxima B, the importance of becoming an intergalactic species has grown. Humanity must act rapidly to secure its place among the stars before someone or something else does. The finding of artificial lights on Proxima B, although joyful and encouraging, also serves as a warning that we are not alone, and the fate of our species may rest on how we respond to this discovery. What we know so far is that Proxima B, an exoplanet in the habitable zone of the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, has piqued astronomers' interest since its discovery in 2016. This planet's orbit around Proxima Centauri puts it at a distance where liquid water, a necessary component for life as we know it, could exist. Proxima B, with its Earth-like size and proximity to its star, is considered one of the most promising prospects for supporting life in our cosmic neighborhood. However, Proxima B confronts a tremendous challenge. Its parent star, Proxima Centauri, is extremely active and frequently produces massive solar flares that can assault the planet with radiation. These flares have the potential to deplete the planet's atmosphere, which serves as a necessary screen against hazardous space radiation for any life that lives on the surface. Without a large atmosphere, the planet would struggle to support life, since liquid water would be less likely to remain on its surface. Despite this challenge, the likelihood of Proxima B sustaining life has remained appealing due to its prime location within the habitable zone. Until recently, debates about the possibility of life on Proxima B focused primarily on the discovery of microbial life, which may thrive in subterranean conditions or isolated pockets of water beneath the surface. Given the planet's exposure to the star's flares, the chances of advanced surface-dwelling life appeared minimal. Scientists assumed that if life existed, it would take the form of bacteria capable of enduring harsh environments. If oceans exist, they could provide a potential refuge for life, sheltering it from radiation in the same way that life originated in the deep sea before migrating to land. The recent discovery made using infrared photography from the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has completely transformed the conversation. The discovery of manufactured light patterns on the night side of Proxima B, structured in regular patterns similar to city lights on Earth, has raised the prospect that intelligent life, rather than microscopic organisms, may exist on the planet. If these lights were created artificially by an intelligent society, they would indicate the presence of beings capable not just of intricate organization, but also of large-scale energy harnessing and manipulation. This revelation sparks a series of profound questions. Could the potential civilization on Proxima B be more sophisticated than mankind, possibly with technologies we have yet to imagine? If they have survived the extreme solar conditions of their star, they may have devised novel techniques to safeguard their planet, such as superior shielding technologies or underground settlements. Alternatively, they may have developed in such a way that they can flourish in settings that would kill humans, implying that life beyond Earth is significantly more adaptable than previously believed. In contrast, the civilization on Proxima B may be in a similar developing stage as our own. The discovered lights could be similar to city lights visible from Earth's orbit, indicating a civilization in the early stages of industrialization or technical advancement. If they have equal levels of technological progress, it might create the way for extraordinary collaboration between our species, as long as we can communicate with them. Communication, however, is a hard task. Even while Proxima B is relatively close on a cosmic scale at slightly over 4.24 light-years away, the immense distance hinders any attempts at communication. Messages exchanged between Earth and Proxima B would take more than 4 years to arrive, followed by another 4 years to receive a response. Furthermore, there is no guarantee that, if a civilization exists, it will communicate in a fashion that we can understand. Their language, technology, and even perception processes may be very different from ours, making establishing communication both technically and intellectually challenging. The finding of artificial light raises questions about this putative civilization's culture and aspirations. Are they friendly explorers like us, looking for life beyond their planet, or do they see the cosmos with more aggressive intents, aiming to expand or dominate? Without direct interaction, we are left to conjecture about their societal structures, ethics, and objectives. The science behind the discovery is fascinating. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, launched in 2021, is outfitted with the most superior infrared imaging capabilities ever devised. Originally intended to study distant galaxies and the early cosmos, it can observe exoplanets and their atmospheres with unparalleled precision. Its ability to detect infrared light enables it to penetrate cosmic dust clouds and reveal objects that ordinary visible light telescopes cannot detect. This capability has allowed JWST to become a powerful tool, not only for peeking into the furthest regions of space but also for making revolutionary discoveries closer to home. Proxima B, located in the neighboring Alpha Centauri star system, was one of the first exoplanets picked for study by JWST. Proxima B was discovered in 2016 and has long been regarded as one of the most promising prospects for life due to its location in the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. However, JWST's observations revealed far more than astronomers had imagined. As the telescope collected infrared photographs of the planet's night side, it discovered something extraordinary: structured, regular, and concentrated light patterns in specific locations. These lighted regions on the planet's dark side were eerily similar to artificial lights visible from space on Earth's surface at night. This observation has provoked heated scientific debate and speculation. How do scientists know these lights are not natural phenomena? One possible explanation is the effect of solar flares from Proxima Centauri, an extremely active red dwarf star renowned for releasing tremendous bursts of radiation. Such flares may interact with Proxima B's atmosphere, resulting in odd light patterns. However, the regularity, structure, and concentration of these lights indicate otherwise. Solar flares would create random and extensive impacts rather than the constant, restricted lighting detected by JWST. Another theory involves geological activity. Volcanic eruptions, for example, can produce light through molten lava and gas emissions. However, volcanic activity is intermittent and erratic, in stark contrast to the organized grid-like patterns found on Proxima B. Even more intriguing is the fact that the intensity and regularity of the lights remain consistent over time, reducing the chance that they are caused by any known natural mechanism. The consequences of these findings are startling. If these lights are genuinely artificial, it would imply that Proxima B is home to a civilization capable of generating and controlling large amounts of energy. The ability to create artificial light on such a large scale suggests technological sophistication, which could rival or surpass that of mankind. This would be the first definitive evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial life, drastically changing humanity's perspective of its place in the cosmos. If this civilization does exist, it raises fresh questions about the nature of life on Proxima B. What kind of creatures live in this distant world? Have they developed technologies similar to ours, or have they evolved in very different ways, influenced by their unique planetary conditions? Given the obstacles Proxima B encounters, such as high solar radiation from Proxima Centauri's regular outbursts, this civilization may have devised remarkable ways of defense, such as underground cities or superior shielding technologies. It is also feasible that these living forms have evolved to endure environmental circumstances that would be harmful to humans. The finding of probable artificial lights on Proxima B calls into question our current beliefs about the evolution of life and civilizations beyond Earth. For decades, scientists have theorized about the possibility of discovering microbial life on exoplanets within their star's habitable zones, but few anticipated uncovering evidence of intelligent life so soon. This discovery implies that advanced civilizations are not as uncommon as previously thought, and that the conditions required for life to evolve into a technologically complex culture may be more prevalent than previously believed. The question of what type of civilization could exist on Proxima B, if it indeed harbors sentient life, is one of the most intriguing and urgent challenges. One of the key concerns revolves around the nature of this potential civilization. Given that Proxima B is estimated to be several billion years older than Earth, this vast time gap could suggest that life, if it began there, had a significant head start in its evolutionary journey. A civilization with such an advantage in time may possess technology and knowledge that are far beyond our current understanding. The implications of this are both thrilling and frightening. What if this advanced society has already explored other star systems, perhaps even our own, without us being aware? This scenario raises the possibility that they may have been observing us for centuries, if not millennia. An older, more technologically adept society may have developed advanced spacefaring abilities, artificial intelligence, or methods of energy generation that are entirely incomprehensible to us. They might even have the capability to manipulate matter, energy, or even the fabric of spacetime in ways that defy our understanding. This level of advancement brings both promise and potential danger. While such a civilization may be benign or indifferent to our existence, it is equally possible that their goals and motivations are entirely alien to us, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences. On the other hand, the civilization on Proxima B may be more akin to our own, both in terms of technological and societal development. The James Webb Space Telescope has detected lights that could represent modern cities, infrastructure, and industry similar to what we have on Earth. If this is the case, we could be witnessing a society grappling with challenges much like ours, such as the search for renewable energy, space exploration, or technological progress. The possibility of discovering a civilization that mirrors our own development opens up exciting prospects for connection and knowledge sharing. However, there is also the potential that the civilization we are observing is in decline. The lights detected on Proxima B may be the remnants of a once thriving empire that is now on the verge of collapse. If this is the case, the lights could represent the last vestiges of an ancient society slowly fading away. We may be witnessing the twilight of their civilization, offering us a glimpse into what could be the far future of humanity. The possibilities are endless, but what makes this discovery so exciting is that, for the first time, we may soon have answers to one of humanity's most fundamental questions: are we alone in the universe? The opportunity to learn more about life on Proxima B is within our grasp, and the results could profoundly change our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Communicating with any potential life on Proxima B presents significant challenges. Despite being only 4.24 light-years away, making it our closest neighbor in the search for extraterrestrial life, the distance still poses considerable hurdles. Even traveling at the speed of light, a message would take more than 4 years to reach Proxima B, and another 4 years for a response. This creates a minimum of an 8-year delay for any exchange, severely limiting the immediacy of communication and making real-time interaction impossible. Another major issue is the method of communication. If intelligent beings exist on Proxima B, their means of communication could be vastly different from ours. While humans use radio waves, light pulses, and other electromagnetic signals, alien technology might employ methods far beyond our comprehension. Their language, if they have one, might not even align with our understanding of communication, further complicating our efforts to interpret their signals. Advanced alien species could be communicating through quantum entanglement or other non-classical methods, which we are only beginning to explore. The challenge of understanding their messages is daunting. Even if we managed to receive clear communication, interpreting its contents would require deciphering an entirely unknown language or code. This goes beyond mere translation. It involves bridging potentially massive gaps in cognition, mathematics, and even perceptions of reality. The differences in our shared reality could be so vast that establishing common ground might take decades, or even longer. There is also the possibility that they may not want to communicate. If a sentient civilization on Proxima B has been aware of us for some time, their silence could be deliberate. They might be avoiding contact for various reasons, including disinterest or caution. Perhaps they have observed us and concluded that we are not ready for interstellar interaction. More unsettling is the idea that their silence could be protective. They may have made contact with other civilizations before, with disastrous outcomes. The risks of attempting contact are considerable. While the discovery of an alien civilization would be a groundbreaking moment for science, reaching out without understanding their motives could be perilous. Would they see us as equals, or as a threat? Misunderstandings, even with the best of intentions, can lead to conflict. The excitement of potentially communicating with an alien society on Proxima B is tempered by the dangers involved. The benefits of gaining knowledge and cooperation must be weighed carefully against the risks of miscommunication and conflict. The discovery of potential life on Proxima B presents humanity with an unparalleled opportunity, but also serious concerns. Throughout human history, encounters between different civilizations have often been marked by war, exploitation, and cultural misunderstanding. When Europeans first made contact with indigenous peoples, the results were disastrous for the less technologically advanced societies. The same concerns apply in the context of interstellar contact, where a significant technological disparity could lead to unintended consequences. The hypothetical discovery of an alien civilization on Proxima B would be no exception. While the prospect of making contact is undeniably exciting, it must be approached with caution and careful planning. Establishing contact with an alien society requires not only technological prowess but also a deep understanding of the ethical, diplomatic, and philosophical implications. Acting hastily or without sufficient knowledge of the alien civilization's motives and culture could lead to catastrophic mistakes from which humanity might not recover. Elon Musk, in his announcement, underscored the importance of a global, coordinated approach to the potential discovery of sentient life. He emphasized that space exploration, particularly when it involves contact with another civilization, cannot be driven solely by national interests or private enterprises. The stakes are far too high. Any interaction with an alien society would require a global framework in which scientists, diplomats, and governments work together to address the challenges that lie ahead. Musk also highlighted the dangers of proceeding without a clear plan of caution. Initiating contact with a civilization we do not fully understand could have far-reaching consequences, ranging from diplomatic missteps to outright hostility. An intelligent civilization on Proxima B, for example, may perceive us as a threat, or they may have reasons of their own for keeping us isolated. Humanity must be prepared for any scenario, whether the extraterrestrials are peaceful or hostile. Though it may seem unlikely, interplanetary conflict is not beyond the realm of possibility. If the civilization on Proxima B is more technologically advanced, they may possess weapons or defensive technologies far beyond our capabilities. Conversely, even if their technology is less advanced, misunderstandings or miscommunications could still lead to unintended conflict, as has often happened throughout Earth's history. At the same time, this discovery represents a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for humanity. Engaging with another intelligent life form could unlock vast amounts of knowledge, expanding our understanding of the universe in ways we can barely imagine. As we embark on this new chapter in human history, we must temper our curiosity with caution. The discovery of artificial lights on Proxima B is groundbreaking, not only for astronomy but for humanity's view of its place in the universe. Whether these lights are evidence of an alien civilization or something entirely different, one thing is clear: we are closer than ever to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? The implications of this discovery will have profound effects on science, philosophy, politics, and culture. Elon Musk's vision of humanity becoming a multiplanetary species takes on new significance in light of this revelation. The race to discover, make contact with, and perhaps even coexist with extraterrestrial civilizations has officially begun. The future of space exploration has never been more promising, quite literally illuminating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling updates as this extraordinary story continues to unfold.